Yo, my people, what is cracking? Just here on the stern of the Nat Geo Orion, photographing some albatrosses. Seen a couple of blue petrels, some giant petrels out there. Can't tell whether they're the southern or northern. Gonna have to look at my photos to get a little bit of a better sense. But we got a couple of meters of swell out here. A little bit of a stiff wind as well. Nothing mega. This was kind of halfway to a Drake shake from a Drake lake. But got my buddy K Jones over here, the bionic eyes. May have just gotten a little bit wet down on deck 3.
Little splash sign.
Little splash zone. Anyways, beautiful day here, lots of good visibility. And gonna spend some time out on the deck photographing seabirds. You can see them behind me. Those are probably black-browed albatrosses. Like I said, there was a couple of blue petrels, as well as 1 or 2 pintado petrels. So we're just doing a little survey here for eBird. Getting stoked, yo!